When the radio plays one catchy song after another, that feels good, doesn't it? Almost as good as Salmon Credit Line, with up to 62 days of zero interest and no annual fee. So maybe it's a sign to treat yourself to something good. Download the app now. Salmon. Feels good.
Salmon Finance, powered by the Salmon app, serves as the online lending platform for Salmon Finance Incorporated, SEC. Registration number CS2019166998, CA number 1241. Read the terms and conditions before availing of this loan product. We offer a grace period of up to 62 days on purchases made through QR, PH, or your linked Salmon card.
It's Mele Francisco for Baygon. Pag may Baba Baygon, subok sa bisa. Basta Baba Baygon, tanggal peste sa bahay. Basta Baba Baygon, may tiwala ako. Baygon's my choice. Baygon's my choice. Baygon's my choice.
Baygon, 100% knockdown. Ang iniinom kong gamot, yung hiyang sa akin.
Kailangan right medicines. Kailangan right med. Pag may hiyang na sa atin, ginhawa ang kapalit. Kailangan right medicines. Kailangan right med. Pag may hiyang na sa atin, ginhawa ang kapalit.
If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Pagdating sa gamot, kailangan yung hiyang. Kailangan right medicines. Kailangan right med.
Hi mga kabisay, mga kabangag sa ilong. Ang inyong kinaham nga drama, Budbud o Bibingka. Ipasundayag na sab diha sa Palanasor, Ronda, Cebu. Karong Agosto 15, Sabado. Kini abos pag-sponsor nila ni Tuto Lirasan o Captain Roniso Aquino o mga barangay officials. Iumusap nila ni Merlin Relasan, Misyal Ipanto, Jenny Jimena. Kini o sa paghalad nila ni Senyor San Roque. Usbona ko, Agosto 15. Magkita-kita tadiha sa Palanasor, Ronda, Cebu o maglingaw.
Sa negosyo, importante kada piso. Labi na ang presyo sa palaliton, kuryente, o gasolina ron. Maayo na lang, Pro ang partner na ako. Ang Kondura Negosyo Pro 2-door Inverter Refrigerator. Kabog na nga pang negosyo. Flexible ug luag. Makadaginot sa kuryente ug tinuig ang kalig-on. Aron pa dayon ang negosyo, pag Kondura na pud mo.
Kondura, kusgan ka uban nimo, kusgan pang negosyo. Kondura.
Strong for the Filipino.
Kondura, strong for the Filipino. Strong pang bahay, strong pang negosyo.
I'm Maria Janet Azarcon from Davao City. Dancing is my passion, pero minsan, hindi maiiwasan na nakakaramdam ako ng pananakit ng tuhod. Salamat sa Panginoon, I met MX3 Capsule. Based on the Journal of Aging Research and Clinical Practice, malaking tulong ang MX3 Capsule para maibsan ang pananakit ng tuhod kasabay ng tamang pagkain at exercise. No worries na ako sa sakit ng tuhod. Thank you MX3 Capsule. Dito ako believe.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
MX3. Dito ako believe.
Finding a new favorite song feels good. Almost as good as finding what you want in over 10,000 stores with Salmon Product Loan. Did we mention that you can afford better items and even pay nothing upfront? So maybe it's time for a new aircon or something else. Download the app now. Salmon. Feels good.
Terms and conditions apply. Salmon Product Loan is a product offered by Salmon Finance Incorporated via lending platform Salmon Finance, a licensed financing company regulated by the SEC with CA number 1241 and CR number CS2019166998.